Hi everybody. Today we are going to see simple Python programs. This video will be very useful. Let us see the programs. Write a program to sum the series 1 by 1 plus 2 squared by 2 plus 3 cubed by 3 till n power n by n. The aim of the program is to create the sum series of 1 by 1 plus 2 squared by 2 plus 3 cubed by 3 till n power n divided by n. The source code for the program is n equal to integer input, enter the value of n, s equal to 0.0 for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, a equal to float into I asterisk I divided by I, s is equal to s plus a, print the sum of the series comma s. So now let us type this coding in a notepad. Once we have typed this, save as within double quotes sum series dot py. Close the double quotes and save the program. Now this program I have saved in the desktop in the folder coding. You can see here. Now I am typing command prompt cmd. Now the command prompt is open. Now to run this program, I'm going to type python sum series dot py. Now I'm going to enter the value as 1. The answer is 1. Once again, I'm going to enter the n value as 2. The answer is 3. Now I'm going to enter the n value as 3. The answer is 6. Now I'm going to enter the n value as 4. The answer is 10. Now I'm going to enter the n value as 5. The answer is 15. Now I'm going to enter the n value as 6. The answer is 21. Now I'm going to enter the n value as 7. The answer is 28. Now I'm going to enter the n value as 8. The answer is 36. N value as 9. The answer is 45. And the n value as 10. It is 55. Now I'm going to exit the program. Now let me show the result. The above program is executed and the required output is obtained. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.